Hello everyone, welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Srishti, and as you can see that it's raining cats and dogs here in Delhi. Maybe we can say the Sri Lanka has passed the showers here to India, and the test series, the test match is over now, and not the result which we all were expecting, because earlier before the series, let's start from the start. Before the series, we were talking about that Team India still has 9 matches to play and they have to win 7 out of that 9 matches, and max to max they can afford is 2 losses, right? And everybody was talking this way because everybody was hoping that Team India can win the Sri Lanka series 2-0, but the result was a bit different. It is 1-0. Obviously, in India's favors, in Team India won the test series irrespective of anything. The series result is 1-0, but the second test match got drawn, and all thanks to Sonal Dinusha, Lahiru Kumara. In fact, Prabhat Jayasuriya faced almost 30 balls. So Asita Fernando as well. So the team, which was 6 down yesterday, everybody was expecting the match to get over around like 12, or somehow like 12, 1 or 2 max to max. But what happened was the match ended up with a draw, and at the end Indian bowlers, maybe they were tired or what happened, nobody knows. Captain Shubman Gill came into bowl, Yashasvi Jaiswal came into bowl, in fact Dhruv Jurel also came into bowl. So overall the draw somehow made things a bit complicated for Team India. Why? Because if they would have won that match, they would have secured 12 points, right? And after this draw, they will be securing 4 points. Currently, in the WTC cycle points table, they are in the 5th position, and thanks to the first test win that they surpassed the 50% mark. But after the particular draw versus Sri Lanka in the like second test match, somehow the percentile which everybody was hoping to be around 57, 58, it will not be that percentile, and now Team India can only afford to lose one match, only one match, or the best possible situation is that Team India wins the 7 out of 7 matches, or max to max they can afford to lose one match. Now the remaining matches are like 2 matches against New Zealand, that is an away series, and we all know that New Zealand's conditions are not easy to play on, to bat on especially, and 5 test match series, the Border Gavaskar Trophy, which India is going to host currently. So overall 7 matches are there, and out of those 7 matches, either Team India can win 7 out of 7 matches, which is very much difficult, or they have to win at least 6 matches, because if they lose another particular match or something like that happens, the qualification scenario will get more and more complicated and more tough for Team India, because already the second test match versus Sri Lanka resulted in a draw. So let's see what happens. But yeah, one thing I can say, that this particular draw has complicated things for Team India. Yes, this draw is can be a type of win for Sri Lanka, the fight they put on the field, but it is not a good result for Team India. So let's see what happens in the further test matches in the further series. And for more such updates, news and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.